Once again, after yesterday, we are seeing some dip in Nifty. Now, hopefully, we will not break the recent low. That will give us some stability at this level, but it needs to be watched. Mid and small caps are slipping a little more. But I was actually looking at individual stocks because it starts looking like a time that we start nibbling or maybe even swallowing up something that we can if you want to invest for the medium to long term. And then when I look at certain mid caps that may interest me, I actually found that volumes have thinned out so much that if you try to buy something, you can actually end up pushing up the price. That is the situation that ends up happening on both sides of the trade. So when the market's been falling also, volumes were drying up, and that meant that people who were forced to cut were also pushing prices down very, very hard. But the same is true on the other way, right? So when your liquidity thins out in the day-to-day trading, then even when prices start going up, they move very, very fast. Eventually, of course, volume comes in because at higher prices, both buyers and sellers emerge from somewhere. People who are stuck earlier who want to get out, and then there are new buyers, and then you actually see volume increase. Now, that might only happen a little later down the line. But in the initial days of a recovery, you might actually see low volume buying, but faster price moves. That is just something that can happen. Now, that doesn't mean that you can't get big buyers and volumes coming into the market, but it's just a general thing that I'm saying that the liquidity in the buy sell spreads and all has really thinned out when I'm observing the screen. So that is the situation right now. Let's see if we can actually see an improvement by the end of today or by tomorrow onwards in the market, because it continues to remain extremely oversold on sentiment indicators. Yeah, those which you get on Strike, go check them out, and you will find that all the sentiment indicators and diffusion indicators are in extreme oversold territory. And I will write about it in a more detailed note at India Charts, but this is what it is.